Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. Do that once more. And now let's wait for this device to power off. And once it has, what you want to do is hold power key and a volume up. So both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the ALCATEL logo, like right now, you can let go. And from here, simply choose a language that you wish to use. So you will select it using volume keys, so volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And I'm gonna select English anyway, so once you have the blue line across the language that you want, press power key to confirm it. And you should now be in recovery mode. So again, here you will use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. And as you can see, you can reboot your device from here, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from either ATP or SD card, wipe your device, wipe cache partitions, mount system, view recovery logs, power off the device, and enable ADB. And also the last thing you have is go back, which will allow you to change the language. So whatever you select, which for me, I'm just gonna leave this mode, so I want to select reboot system now. Once it's selected, again press power key, and now we just wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now the device is back on. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.